How's it going, guys? Today we have Philip and his Mark 7 with us. He drove all the way from Iowa to document his IS-20 hybrid install. All right, Philip, can you tell me what you have done to this car so far? Because it looks like a pretty extensive build.
Yeah, so it's pretty much full bolt on. Let's hop right into it. We got the intake, we got an inlet elbow, turbo muffler delete, we got all the inlet pipes, intercooler, downpipe, exhaust, stage 2 engine and trans mounts, stiff dog bone mount, and then we got a stage 3 clutch in there too. And last but not least, we got black emblems.
Alright guys, he kind of missed a key factor actually, the BDT sauce, the stage 2 tune we have so far on the car, but he's going to be jumping up to the hybrid, so that's going to put him in the stage 3 category. Alright guys, it's time to do a stage 2 pull.
Ready?
Alright guys, it's down on day number 1. We got the stage 2 Mark 7 ready to rock, so stay tuned for some numbers. See you in a sec. Alright guys, so very impressive numbers from the stage 2. Now it's time to see what the stage 3 has to offer, so you better stay tuned. How's it going, guys? Just want to give you a quick update of the turbo swap. I'm just going to bring Philip in here. It's actually his car, so he knows a little bit more about it.
Alright, it was stock IS-12 turbo from the Golf, 1.8 liter. Now we have a hybrid turbo right here. It's a IS-20 with an IS-38 compressor side. So this is stock Golf R up here, and also the turbine is from a Golf R. We got it clipped, and yeah, it just has the IS-20 housing. That's why you call it IS-20 hybrid. Made by Litco in the UK, and yeah, hopefully,
make those numbers. All right, stay tuned. As you guys saw in the video on our stage 2, we put down 330 wheel horsepower with 400 torque. Oh my gosh, didn't even think it was possible. But he wants more. So I'm like, okay, well, here we go. right, guys, as you saw, that was some outrageous numbers. I don't even, we're a little bit scared, but Phil, just give us how are you feeling right now?
Dude, you can tell by my shit eating brain, man. Like, hell, very unexpected. I didn't think it would go that high.
No, we have it set at 28 PSI right now. That's the max we want to do. I don't want to push this thing any harder. We're on the limit. So as you guys saw, we will give you an update review of how long it lasts, how it does later on down the road, how the numbers go down in the summertime. But wow, thank you, Philip, for this opportunity, man. It was wild. It was